What is data science? It sounds super complicated, right? But let's break it down. Think of it like being a modern-day detective. But instead of solving crimes, you are solving mysteries hidden inside data. Data is just information. It can be anything. Your age, the last song you heard, the number of steps you walked today. Data science is the art of using this information to find answers. It helps us understand the world in a completely new way. It's not just about numbers. It's about finding the story behind those numbers. It's a skill that lets you see patterns that no one else can. Data science is not just one single thing. It's actually a mix of three major fields. Statistics. This is the math part that helps you understand numbers and what they mean. It's about finding averages, trends, and seeing if a pattern is real or just a coincidence. Computer science. This is the tech part. You need computers to handle huge amounts of data and to write code. Domain expertise. This just means you need to understand the subject you are studying. Imagine you are a chef. Statistics is like your knowledge of spices and flavors. Computer science is like your high-tech kitchen equipment. Domain expertise, that's your understanding of the cuisine you are making. Data science is the same. You bring these three ingredients together to create something incredible. A deep insight that can change everything. It's a mindset of exploration and problem solving. A journey from messy information to a clear, powerful conclusion. So, why has data science suddenly become such a huge deal? The answer is simple. We are living in a digital universe. Every single day we create an unbelievable amount of data. This explosion of information is often called big data, like a giant ocean with hidden treasures. Data science gives us the map and the tools to find them. Businesses, governments, hospitals are realizing that this data is incredibly valuable. In the past, big decisions were based on gut feelings. Now, they can be made based on hard evidence. Data science lets companies understand customers better than ever. What you might buy next or what movie you might enjoy. It's like a superpower to predict the future. That gives companies a huge competitive advantage. A few decades ago, oil was called black gold. Today, data is being called the new oil, the fuel of the modern economy. Leading companies collect it, analyze it, and use insights to build better products. That's why data scientists are in high demand. They refine digital oil into useful, profitable outcomes. Without them, all that data is just noise. This isn't just about money. Data science solves major global problems. Scientists track diseases and predict outbreaks. Researchers study climate change and find sustainable solutions. And city planners make cities smarter and more efficient. The impact is everywhere. It's a revolution, happening right now. When everyone talks about data science, it's because it's changing our ads and our medical care, and the way the world operates. You might be wondering, where do companies and scientists get all this data? It seems to be everywhere. But what are the actual sources? One of the biggest sources is the data we create ourselves. Every tweet, every status update, every photo you upload. Companies analyze this to see what's trending, what people are talking about, and how they feel. Another huge source is transactional data. Every time you buy something, a record is created. What, when, how much, and where. Retailers collect billions of these and learn your shopping habits to manage stock and personalize offers. Then there's the Internet of Things. Everyday objects connected to the Internet. Sensors stream heart rate, activity, temperature, and more in real time. A lot of data comes from company databases. Customers, sales, inventory, plus hospital records and census or tax data. For a long time, much of it sat unused. Data science unlocks the valuable insights hidden within. All these sources create the vast sea of data that data scientists explore. Now that we know where data comes from, you might think the next step is to analyze it. But not so fast. There's a crucial, often overlooked step: data cleaning. Real-world data is messy, incomplete, full of errors. Imagine cooking with dirty or expired ingredients. It wouldn't turn out well. The same goes for data. Before insights, you must clean and prepare data. The quality of your analysis depends on the quality of your data. Garbage in, garbage out. Handle missing values, correct inconsistencies, standardize formats like dates, and investigate outliers. Is age 200 a typo or a special case? It takes patience and attention to detail. Data scientists can spend most of their time here to make results accurate and trustworthy. Once our data is clean and tidy, the fun part begins: analysis. We explore to find hidden patterns and stories. Exploratory data analysis, or EDA, is like walking a new city to get a feel for the place. Use basic stats and simple charts. Calculate averages, find common values, See how data is spread. Descriptive analytics answers, what has happened? It's like looking in the rearview mirror. Bestsellers, top stores, weekly sales. Predictive analytics asks, what is likely to happen next? Using history to model future outcomes. From loan risk to what you'll watch next. We test if patterns are significant and use algorithms, rules a computer follows, to find complex relationships. For example, clustering groups customers by behavior to tailor strategies. You've probably heard machine learning. In simple terms, it's teaching computers to learn from data without explicit step-by-step programming. Instead of rules, we give examples, like a child learns what a cat is by seeing many pictures. Supervised learning, data comes with correct answers. Train on labeled emails to predict spam. Unsupervised learning, no labels. The system finds hidden structure, like customer segments. Reinforcement learning, learn by trial and error, maximizing rewards, powering autonomous driving and advanced gameplay. Machine learning is the engine behind many smart data science applications today. After cleaning and analyzing data, you might have discovered something amazing, but your job isn't done yet. Insights are useless if you can't explain them. This is where data visualization comes in. It's the art of turning data into charts, graphs, and maps, telling a story the brain can grasp fast. A simple line chart can reveal trends instantly that a big table hides. Use a bar chart to compare groups, a line for change over time, a pie for parts of a whole, a scatter to see relationships, and a map for geographic patterns. Tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Python libraries make creating clear visuals easy. Visualization is about communication, the bridge from technical analysis to real-world decision-making. Take online shopping and streaming. Systems analyze millions of histories to recommend what you'll likely want next, keeping experiences engaging and personal. In healthcare, predictive models flag high-risk patients and guide resources, enabling early interventions and saving lives. Navigation apps use real-time speeds and locations to route you dynamically and predict arrival times accurately. As we approach 2025, understanding data is essential. Collection, cleaning, and analysis exist to enable smarter decisions. Whether a CEO, a small business owner, a doctor, or just managing your finances, data provides a clearer path. Learn to be curious, ask critical questions, and look for evidence. The mindset to thrive in the future.